Hello, my name is Maria Sanabria, and we're coming up at an open house we're doing here in Port St. Lucie. This is a 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom house. It is a split bedroom floor plan, has a newer AC and water heater. It also has a fenced yard on a canal. Here we are gonna go inside of the house. We're looking at the outside right now. Here you have the living room. We are going to go into the kitchen, and the dining room also could be served as a living room. I'm sorry. This is a kitchen. My information. The setup that I have for the open house. I did a little of a Halloween theme. This is the backyard. Now we are going to go into the 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. This is the bedroom number 1. Bathroom. And now you see me. Closet, 2nd bedroom. Now we're gonna go into the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom, master closet, master bathroom. Hello. Now we are gonna go into the 2-car garage. Don't mind the stuff. Excuse me. And we're back into the kitchen and the dining room / living room. Now we're gonna go outside. If you see, excuse me, completely fenced in yard in the canal. If you have any questions and you would like to view the property, you can give me a call at 786-817-4338. My email is realtormsanabria@gmail.com. My website is www.realtormsanabria.com. Thank you.